Hey guys, Mobile Geezer. And I've been playing with Nano Banana, which is the image and text editing app embedded within Gemini that you can create a lot of different images, and you can create them from scratch or you can create them from pictures. So I thought I'd show you a few examples of what that's like, or at least what I've been playing with to learn.
Let's do this!
So let me share screen. I'm going to start right from a blank Google screen. And if you just go to Gemini, okay, so it knows it's me. And we're going to try a few things here. You can type it in or you can say it. So I'm going to use a microphone. Create a scene with a dog chasing a ball in the field. And it takes a few seconds, but to me, it's very much worth it. So there's the dog in the field. Let me make it a little bigger for you. That's pretty cool, I think. Now I'm going to say, make this a cartoon. That is pretty awesome, don't you think? I think it's pretty awesome. If you haven't used this before, it's kind of impressive. If you have, well, this is what Nano Banana is like in Gemini. I don't know if you've used it in that. So let's go do a picture. So hit the plus sign, upload a file. And of course, I'm on my computer, so I'm just going to add a picture of me. All right, so there's the picture of me. And I'm going to say, create as a statue. I'm just kind of having fun with this. I thought you guys might like it also. And that's pretty good, I think. So there you go. All right, I'm going to go back and get the same picture. I can go up to it, right click on it, copy it, then come down here and just paste it back in so it knows that's where it's starting from. Create as anime. There are some restrictions. I tried to tell it to make something out of me and it didn't know who I was, and it can't create it from a person. You can't name a person or like that. So it made me kind of, I think it made me kind of skinny on. Maybe not. It does look like me though. Now I'm going to say, add a cowboy hat and glasses. I notice it says in glasses. Okay, it knew it was in glasses. That's good. And what do you know? You got a cartoon of Mobile Geezer. So there. So let's try something different. Create a college football game with two teams facing off against each other. And there's your college football game. Right, now the game is at night. So let's try, make it a Saturday afternoon game with sun. Yes, the college football game. Imagine that a sunny Saturday afternoon magic. That is pretty good. Now let me go back to the dog. I'm going to copy that one. I'm going to see if it'll do this as a statue. I don't know. Let's create a statue. Helps if you hit enter. And the dog has a statue jumping over it. That is pretty cool, I think. And I'm going to show you guys a strange one. Let me go get a picture off the computer. Now, here's the band that I used to be in from 1975 to 1978. It was my favorite band that I was ever in because we used to do pop, rock, disco, Sinatra, Elvis, Beatles, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to tell it, create as anime. And there you can see the picture. That's us back in 1978. Yes, that's me in 1978. I was kind of the lead singer and sax player. And you can't see the bottom, but the name of the group was Mixed Breed. I think you'll see that when it finishes generating. Okay. Here's your band Mixed Breed in anime style. Look at this funny thing is, it changed me, but it didn't change anyone else. So that's some of the stuff I haven't figured out yet. I just started playing with this last night. So I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to paste it in here again. Create as statues. Now, the last time I did it, it changed 3 of us, but not 2 of us. I don't know what's up with that, but at least it gives you a challenge in creating things, especially from pictures. Here's the image of the band Mixed Breed recreated as a statue. Now, that time it created all of us as a statue. I think that is pretty cool, guys. So I'm going to stop here. I just wanted to give you an example of some of the stuff you can do with Nano Banana in Gemini, at least on the computer. So, as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you try it out, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you do. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm. Yeah.